Welcome back to Quick Insights. Today we're exploring a concept that boggles the mind, the arrival of the pulse beyond origin. Our guest, Dr. Eris Thorne, joins us to unpack this profound idea. Eris, this initial description paints a picture of something that simply appeared. It defies all notions of cause and effect, doesn't it?
Precisely. The text emphasizes that no origin could claim it. No point of emergence could explain it. It wasn't an arrival from elsewhere, because elsewhere had no meaning before the pulse. It challenges our fundamental understanding of existence itself, suggesting a genesis that transcends spatial and temporal limitations. It's like trying to grasp a beginning without a prior state.
And the idea of intention without intention, a rhythm without source. How do we even begin to process that? It sounds like a paradox wrapped in an enigma. It's the very first deviation from what's described as perfect stillness, the very first disruption in an infinite sameness.
It's the ultimate paradox, isn't it? It suggests a spontaneous unfolding, a self-generating impetus. This pulse wasn't something that wasn't there and then was. It was the very act of becoming, the genesis of change from absolute nothingness, or perhaps absolute everythingness in a state of pure potentiality. It's the ultimate deviation from a static state.
That leads us beautifully into the second part. Awakening, not arriving. So it didn't so much arrive as it initiated a fundamental shift within that stillness. It wasn't an external event impacting a pre-existing state, but rather the state itself transforming.
Exactly. The language is crucial here. It did not arrive from elsewhere. No distance for it to cross. This implies the pulse was intrinsically part of that initial stillness, or perhaps the potential for that stillness to break. It wasn't an object or energy as we understand them, but the first conscious differentiation, the primal spark that broke the infinite sameness.
And the final line, and when it touched, it did not collide. It awakened. That's such a powerful image. It suggests a gentle yet profound transformation rather than a violent imposition. It's the very essence of creation, not destruction or forceful entry, but an awakening into being.
Indeed. It's the distinction between a force acting upon something and the first inherent expression of something. The pulse didn't shatter stillness. It imbued it with the capacity for existence, for experience, for everything that followed. It's the sacred disruption that allowed for all subsequent rhythms and realities to emerge, not through conflict, but through an intrinsic awakening.